Okay, hey YouTube, I'm gonna show you some storms. It's huge. Oh, you guys can't see it that good. Dang, can't see it. Oh, okay, there we go.
Alright, that's an Anvil if I ever seen an Anvil.
See right there, boom. It's huge. Then it goes all the way back. Then you got that, and it's cool. And there's a tornado over there. Somewhere. Then, see how it gets blue. And there's a bunny rabbit. Okay, but anyway, so then you got there. It's ozone!
Check it out!
It's ozone!
It's ozone! Oh, it has to be true!
Hey, you know what ozone is? Moisture.
No, it's a hole in the sky.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
You mean ozone? Okay.
It is an Anvil if I ever see one.
She don't know what she's talking about. Okay. So. And there's a storm water just leaving our house. Yeah, that's a huge storm. Yeah, that thing's huge. And stuff. Yeah, he's a storm spotter. He's seriously, he's a storm spotter. Turn on your lights! Okay, but anyway, so he's a storm spotter. He's my brother-in-law. Oh, okay. See, but yeah, look at that storm. That thing's huge. Come on now. There is a tornado warning in Go County, Kansas, and it's not going to expire. I have a feeling that this is going to be a tornado. Okay, that's north. That's south. That's east, and that's west. That's my mom. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get you a good look at this. It's not gonna be very shaky at all. Put it on the fire hydrant. See that part right there? Yeah, my dad's at his shed. Look at that. Look at it! Look at it, baby! Look! Come on now. Look at that. It looks like a picture, doesn't it? But see? Then we start to move. Boom! That thing's free. That thing's huge. Right there. Right there. See it? Right there. Boom. Okay, so let's zoom out. Okay, we zoomed out. Now look at that. Now you just go down the full line. And the tail's down there. Oh yeah. But don't you think that thing right there is cool? It's a lot brighter in real life, I'll tell you that. Wait. Yeah, it's a lot brighter in real life. I thought I would show you this, YouTube. I love storms, so I thought this would be pretty cool. For storm lovers, chasers. Saturday, June. Saturday, June. Yesterday was the 7th, so today's the 18th. Mom! What's today? 17th or the 18th? Okay, it's the 18th. Saturday, June 18th, 2011, the day before Father's Day, we have had storms. This will be our third storm day in a row. The first day, pretty tragic. We had hurricane force winds, 80 miles an hour. Don't believe me? Look it up. Okay, I thought it. Oh, holy shit, taters! Holy shit, and taters! Look, there's a cloud popping up right there. Okay, see right there? It's really blue, but really puffy. Maybe I can zoom in on it. Okay, there's a bunny rabbit over there. So, okay, but anyway. So yeah, YouTube. Pretty well. That's it. I'll shoot another video later when and if we get. See, now earlier we had, see that blue sky? We had that earlier. Now, straight above us, we got clouds, and then over there, we got clouds. If you don't believe those are clouds, look. There's blue, okay, there's some blue sky. There's that cloud I was showing you earlier. Ooh, that'd be a good picture in here. God, look at that thing. That's gonna be an ant. Jeez, that's an anvil. YouTube, this is an anvil. I get hyped up about maybe. Seriously, guys, this is an anvil. See? Okay, let me take you back. It kind of looks like a mushroom cloud. Oh, come on, don't. Okay, yes, it works perfectly. Okay. So. Okay. Try. Here, I can't see myself, so I don't know what I was pointing at. See, it's right there. Right above my finger. Right there. I'll show you. I'm going to zoom in on it. We're going to get this storm perfect. Wait, I'm going to oh, and okay. See the anvil right there? Right above my finger? Right there, where that big pushy cloud is? Okay, there's the anvil. Now right there by my finger, that's the overshooting top. Now we have everything on this to produce a tornado, except you can't see the wall cloud or anything. So I'm calling bullcrap on this, because I'm not calling bullcrap on this. It's just you got tornado warning there. That's on the Oklahoma border. We're in Olmitz, Kansas, which is basically right straight dead in the middle of Kansas, right by the Arkansas River, or as some people call it, the Arkansas River. But yeah, I gotta quit videoing this really quickly because I'm almost out of footage. I only have 11 minutes on this thing left because I have too many videos on my camera. But anyway, yeah. Oh yeah, me too. I'm gonna think about getting an iPod Touch. But anyway, so yeah, for my birthday. So if you don't think this is cool, then well, that's fine with me. It's just I think tornadoes are epic. Yeah, they're like they kill a lot. Okay. There, see that thing right there by my finger, right there in that circle? Okay, there's the anvil and there's the overshooting top. And see all the other clouds, that's just clouds. But it's part of the anvil. And the reason you can tell this has got to be a tornado thing, because it's right there, all those big puffy clouds. Okay, well, bye YouTube, see ya.